Hi, my name is Tim and welcome to my channel. I'm a flooring and stair contractor and I work with my two sons, Hunter and Tristan. And today we're going to head out to one of my favorite clients' jobs. We've done a lot of work here. We've done the stairs, we've done the vinyl floors, we've done railings. And today we're going to show you this amazing wall that my son Hunter installed. I designed it, but I'm not going to take any of the credit for the installation. This is all my son Hunter's work. So without any further ado, let's head out there.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So this is the wall. We started with drywall, and on top of the drywall we installed plywood, and then we did 2¼ inch solid unfinished oak flooring. This is the same flooring that we used on the landings, and we were able to tie the staircase into the wall by incorporating the same material, but with a little twist. We whitewashed it. Now we didn't go with, like I said, we didn't go with the same stain that we used on the staircase. We used a whitewash. That's what my client wanted, and clients always get what they want, and I think it speaks for itself. She had a vision, and it was the whitewashing, and I think it worked out really nice. This is our wall of fame and our amazing staircase that we have done here. We went all out with this one. Some of my favorite Newel posts. We also did iron balusters with a really nice subtle pattern, and we used the most amazing finish and stain that you can go with. My favorite, Impact Oil by Loba. Gives you a silky soft feel. This isn't a small wall by any feet. It's like the Great Wall of China. It's huge. It never ends. It goes on and on and on. We have this first section, then it leads into the section above the hallway, and then it wraps around above a door. This wall is just packed with angles and areas. I think Hunter did an amazing job. I like to say I taught him everything he knows, but these kids nowadays, they pick up a lot of stuff themselves. This was all him, and he should be proud of himself. I know I'm proud of him, and the client is super happy, and that's what matters the most. Drop some comments below. Let me know what you think. And if you'd like to see any more details about this wall, I'd be happy to share them with you. And let me hear how you think Hunter did. If you're new around here, please help us to grow our channel by liking, sharing, and of course subscribing. It helps us more than you realize. YouTube really doesn't promote these videos as much as they should, and we need your help. If you really like what we're doing, we also have a PayPal link down. It's down here somewhere. It's down here below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment. You're also going to want to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.